میں چمن سر سید میں آپ سبھی کا استقبال کرتے ہوئے
come cluster of dates hanging within reach. There are also garden of grapevines, olives, and pomegranates, similar in shape but dissimilar in taste. Look at their fruit as it yields and ripens. Indeed, in these are signs for people who believe. اور وہی ہے جس نے آسمان سے پانی برسایا، پھر اس کے ذریعے سے ہر قسم کی نباتات اگائی، پھر اس سے ہرے ہرے کھیت اور درخت پیدا کیے، پھر ان سے تہ بتہ چڑھے ہوئے دانے نکالے اور کھجور کے شگوفوں سے پھلوں کے گچھے پیدا کیے جو بوجھ کے مارے جھکے پڑتے ہیں، اور انگور، زیتون اور انار کے باغ لگائے جن کے پھل ایک دوسرے سے ملتے جلتے ہیں، اور پھر ہر ایک کی خصوصیات جدا جدا بھی ہیں۔ یہ درخت جب پھلتے ہیں تو ان میں پھل آنے اور پھر ان کے پکنے کی کیفیت ذرا غور کی نظر سے دیکھو۔ ان چیزوں میں نشانیاں ہیں ان لوگوں کے لیے جو ایمان لاتے ہیں۔ السلام علیکم۔
Thank you, Aziz, for the beautiful recitation. May these words guide us as we strive for knowledge, understanding, and positive impact. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are surrounded by plants that are not just beautiful to behold, but hold profound powers to heal, restore, and rejuvenate. For centuries, medicinal plants have been woven into the fabric of our traditional medicine, Ayurveda, and now modern science is continuously unveiling the wonder they contain. Medicinal plants, just imagine, they are the silent healers that grow quietly in our backyards, jungles, and farmland. They hold within them centuries of knowledge and natural remedies. From humble tulsi to the exotic ashwagandha, they are nature's gift to humanity. And today, as we gather for this seminar, we delve into a theme that resonates deeply with a practice as old as humanity itself, the use of plants to heal. This conference, therefore, is dedicated to exploring this ancient science in a modern context.
With this insightful theme guiding our discussion today, it is now my honor to invite our esteemed chairperson. But before inviting, it's a privilege to share a few words about his remarkable journey and contributions to the botany department. Our chairperson, Professor Mohammad Badruzzaman Siddiqui sir, joined ABU in 1979 as an undergraduate student and completed entire higher education till PhD, making a lasting impact on our academic community. Initially specializing in plant taxonomy, Sir later expanded their expertise to encompass allopathy and environmental botany. Throughout this expertise, Sir guided 12 PhDs and 2 MPhil scholars. Their scholarly contributions include over 150 publications in national and international journals of high repute. Everyone, please give a big round of applause to our chairperson and my father, Professor Mohammad Badruzzaman Siddiqui sir.
انہوں نے ہمارا جو تھیم ڈال دیا ہے۔
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor R. Murugeswaran, Deputy Advisor, National Medicinal Plant Board, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, Guest of Honor, Dr. Najma Abbasi, CEO, Founder of Next Gen Life Science Private Limited, Professor S. A. Bhatnagar, Founder, Chairperson of Plant Research Society, Vegetos, Professor N. K. Dubey, Chairman and INSA Member, Chairman Department of Botany, Banaras Hindu University, Professor G. P. Singh, Chairman Department of Botany, Rajasthan University, Professor Nadaf, Altaf Ahmed Nadaf, Chairman Department of Botany, Pune University, Professor Ikramul Haq, Ex-Director, Forensic Science, Government of India, Professor Ansari, Professor Mukhtar Ahmed, Chairman Department of Zoology, Professor Wazahat Hussain, our beloved sir. My heartfelt gratitude to all of you for being with us on this occasion. I am especially indebted to Dr. R. Murugeswaran, Dr. Najma Abbasi, and esteemed guests for sparing your precious time for the program, which is being organized as an event of centenary celebration of Department of Botany. On behalf of the members of the Department of Botany, I welcome you all at the inaugural session of this seminar. I place on record acknowledgement, appreciation, sincere thanks to the National Medicinal Plant Board, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India for sponsoring and sanctioning the fund to organize this seminar. I feel immense pleasure in presenting before this galaxy of distinguished academicians and scholars a brief introduction of Department of Botany. It is one of the oldest departments of the Aligarh Muslim University. It was established as a full-fledged independent department a century ago. During long glorious journey
Samin Zaidi to present the bouquet to our chief guest, Dr. R. Murugesan sir. Everyone please give a big round of applause. And then to our guest of honor, Dr. Nadma Abbasi. For this, I would request Nazish Akhtar to please come on the stage. Mohammad Badruzaman Siddiqui sir. Organizing Secretary Professor Shamsul Hayat sir.
Faculty members, esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, researchers, students, and all attendees, a very good morning to all of you. With great pleasure, I, and on behalf of the department, welcome all of you to the National Seminar on Good Agriculture.
I am here as a Deputy Advisor Medicinal Plants. It is because of the professor who has selected me, who has helped me in the interview. He has asked a question, I have replied. Wherever I struggle, he helped me. He is none other than Professor Wajaz Hussain. He is sitting in this again and again. I thank Almighty because again I got opportunity to get blessings from him today. So thanks to the universities and the organizing secretary of the seminar, really a great day for me. So what I want to say is, I think let us give a big applause with standing.
तो आज जैसा कि आप सबने देखा कि बॉटनी डिपार्टमेंट के चेयरपर्सन, प्रोफेसर्स, लैब असिस्टेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स सभी कितने ही ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड हैं, तो इन सब के लिए मैं बस इतना ही कहूँगी, कुंदन हुए हैं आग भी अपनी लगा के हम पर किसी सुनार की मर्जी नहीं चली. Thank you everyone.
Special felicitation ceremony. Professor Wazahat Hussain sir is renowned for establishing Aligarh's Botanical Garden and the Herbal Garden of Regional Research Institute of Unani Medicine RRIUM in Lucknow. With a career spanning over 4 decades, Sir has served as an expert on selection boards for UPSC, TNPSC and NBRI. Internationally recognized, Sir delivered lectures in Iran and at WHO conference in Abu Dhabi. His contributions to Unani medicine and education has earned him prestigious awards, including the Zaid International Gold Medal Award. So, it is a privilege to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Professor Wazahat Hussain sir. And for this, I request Dr. R. Murugeswaran sir to kindly present the honor to Professor Wazahat sir. Everyone please give a big round of applause.
हाँ वही तो बात के सिलेक्शन बोर्ड
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everybody. I am really very grateful to Almighty Allah who blessed me with this honor. And I dedicate this Lifetime Achievement Award to my respected parents, my elder brother, and all my teachers right from primary school to this alma mater. Particularly, I would like to mention the name of my teacher who taught me plant taxonomy in Dehradun in BSc, Professor Somdev Sharma. He expired in 2004, but he retired long before, but actively engaged. He was having his own personal herbarium, which is now being shifted to FRI in a very spacious building with my efforts. Anyhow, he inculcated the interest in this subject, which according to Professor Chaudhary, a business, donkey's job subject. Because in plant taxonomy, it is not that you are sitting in a very comfortable lab, but you have to in the field and work in hot climate, in rainy season, in cold season, and so he always say it is a donkey's job and it is a hay business. But anyway, this is the most fundamental branch of botany. Besides this, in Aligarh, again, I will just give my most respectful regards to late Professor Kafil Ahmed Chaudhary Sahab, who asked me when I came for convocation, he asked me if interested in hay business. I could not follow. You are interested in donkey's job? I also not follow. He said, working on flora of Aligarh, it is a tough job, and if you agree, I can beg a scholarship for you from Ministry of Education. Anyway, I got a scholarship, and luckily I was able to work on the flora of Aligarh. And it is all due to the blessing of Almighty Allah and the vision which Professor Chaudhary and his greatness, he was such a great person that he suggested during the East India Company's a wood can be used in combat airplane which become very light. And for that, East India Company has given him a big award. He was a director of FRI Dehradun, such a important and premier institute of India. It is the best forest institute in whole Asia. So he was my official guide and I got many things from him. So with these words, again, I will express my gratitude to Professor, to Dr. Tharamani, who mentioned about the selection and this, and I think, I am sure, and all audience will be happy that the selection made in that selection board, which I was there, was very genuine and correct, because after that he raised with his capabilities, with his knowledge, with his systematic work and methodological approach to such an important place nowadays in the Ministry of Ayush as deputy advisor of Medicinal Plant Board. I congratulate him for his achievement. Thank you very much with all organizers and all audience for that. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, before proceeding with the event, I would like to introduce that our respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun, has just joined the event. She is an individual whose vision and leadership have continuously propelled our university toward academic excellence and innovation. She is a beacon of inspiration for all of us. तो मैम आपके तारुफ में मैं बस इतना ही कहूँगी, हौसला मेरा ना नाप वक्त की रफ्तार से, साल भर में एक सदी का काम मैं कर जाऊँगा. Everyone, please give a big round of applause for our respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun ma'am. And now I request Muniza Hussain to please come forward and present the bouquet of honor to our respected Vice Chancellor ma'am. Please give a big round of applause, everyone.
Now, I would like to invite Dr. Thangjim Robert to felicitate Professor Wazahat Hussain sir. Dr. Thangjim Robert.
Honor. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to release the seminar abstract book, a compilation of knowledge and the journey of this seminar's inception. For this, I request our research scholar, Sayyida Zaima Zeib, to please come forward on stage, and I request our respected Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Professor Naima Khatun, and our respected chief guest to please release our abstract book. Everyone, please give a big round of applause. Now moving on forward, as a token of gratitude as our esteemed guests join us for this event, we would like to present mementos of honor to our esteemed guests for this. So I request our chairperson, Professor Mohammad Badruzzaman Siddiqui sir, to present the memento of honor to our respected Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Professor Naima Khatun. Everyone, please give a big round of applause. Now I request Professor Anwar Shahzad sir to present the memento of honor to our guest of honor, Dr. Nagma Abbasi ma'am. Please give a big round of applause, everyone. Now I request our Professor Shamsul Hayat sir to present the honor to our founder chairman of SPR, Professor S.K. Bhatnagar. And now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun ma'am, to present the honor to our respected Chairman of Botany Department, Professor Mohammad Badruzzama Siddiqui sir. Please give a big round of applause, everyone. Now I request our Chief Guest, Dr. R. Murugeswaran, to please present the honor to our Organizing Secretary, Professor Shamsul Hayat sir. And sir, also present the honor to our Organizing Secretary, Professor Anwar Shahzad sir. Thank you all the volunteers and thank you all the guests. Also, I request our chairperson, Professor Mohammad Badruzzama Siddiqui sir, to please present the honor to our chief guest. Thank you.
Now, I would like to welcome Professor Subodh Kumar Bhatnagar, who is an eminent plant scientist and founder chairman of Society for Plant Research, SPR, and chief editor of Vegetos, which he started in 1988. Now co-published by Springer Nature, marking it as a prominent journal in plant sciences. Professor Bhatnagar has been awarded top honors, including the CSIR, SRF, and international fellowships, and is a fellow of the Linnean Society, London. His prolific work includes 12 books and 10 research projects, reflecting a career dedicated to pioneering advancements in plant research. So with a big round of applause, please welcome Professor S.K. Bhatnagar, sir.
Thank you very much for elaborated biography, though I do not deserve that much. Honorable Vice Chancellor of this prestigious university, Professor Naima Khatun, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, distinguished scientists from different parts of the country, esteemed SPR awardees who have come from a long distance and joined this very important centenary celebration of Aligarh Muslim University. Honorable Professor Wajahat Hussain, whose name we had been listening right from our studentship. When I retired in 2017, I was having an old friend, Dr. B.K. Sharma, and he used to talk many times about Professor Wajahat Hussain. He had been the student of this prestigious university long back. At the outset, let me congratulate the entire organizing team who might have worked day and night without even sleeping or taking a small nap during night, and they might be worried about the hospitality of the delegates who are coming from different parts of the country. Let me congratulate the entire team of organizers who work day and night under the leadership of dynamic Vice Chancellor of this university. Now, Society for Plant Research and Vegetos, they are synonyms of each other, established in 1988, about 36 years back, in order to bring the plant scientists at one platform. And incidentally, I have the privilege of founding the society in 1988. Nurturing it with the cooperation of distinguished scientists, office bearers, executive body members, editorial board members, and councillors. It has already completed 25 years and now has entered into 36 years of its existence. In order to recognize the scientists who have worked a lot in plant sciences, plant biotechnology, taxonomy, agriculture sciences, nanotechnology or medicinal plants, and other related branches, the executive body decided to recognize their contribution, and for this recognition, a 7-member screening committee is formed. Now may I call upon Professor K.L. Bihari Singha for Lifetime Achievement Award as Earth Savior, Professor Singha.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
ये हमारा